praying, singing, painting. We all have our own ways of escaping the weight of the world. But for entry number 11 of my childhood escapism art series, I wanted to paint something universally comforting: desserts. These sweet treats are more than just empty calories. They are literal mood boosters. Stick around, because as we bring this canvas to life, we'll explore the surprising physical and mental health perks of these nostalgic delicacies, including a very special cameo from coffee. Let's begin! For this painting, the first dessert I made was the quintessential ice cream. Whether you're a child or just young at heart, nothing beats ice cream as the ultimate universal dessert. In fact, this delightful treat is so popular that even dentists recommend it after tooth extractions. But beyond nostalgia and recommendations, ice cream serves as an energy booster and can easily improve your mood in a snap. How, you may ask? Well, since ice cream triggers the release of endorphins, also known as the feel-good chemicals, this release of endorphins is directly linked to serotonin, the chemical messenger that regulates happiness and reduces stress. Moreover, ice cream has its own health benefits. As a dairy-based product, it provides essential nutrients such as vitamin A and D, phosphorus, and of course, calcium, which is vital for strong bones. So, what more can I say? I rest my case. Baked goods often evoke fond memories, childhood moments, in fact. And one dessert that stands out is donuts. Donuts reminds us of celebratory moments that foster sharing and social connections. For example, I used to share a box of donuts or a bucket of munchkins with my students in class. These tasty treats not only provide a quick energy boost, but also trigger dopamine release, much like ice cream, delivering immediate comfort and happiness. However, because donuts are dense and sweet, they can serve as a satisfying conclusion to a meal or easily make you feel full. Whether I'm feeling gloomy or ecstatic, there's one dessert I truly adore: the banana split. In addition to its health benefits, which I mentioned in the ice cream segment, a banana split typically consists of 3 scoops of ice cream: chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. One of the added advantages of eating a banana split is the potassium boost it provides, thanks to the bananas, and manganese. Additionally, it contains essential vitamins such as vitamin B6, vitamin C, all of which support our immune health. A banana split can also be rich in antioxidants if you include various toppings like pineapples and cherries, which contribute vitamin C and sleep supporting hormone melatonin. If your banana split includes walnuts or almonds, you might also benefit from omega 3 fatty acids that provide improved gut health. Cupcakes may be small, but like me, they can be adorable in their own way. This highly versatile single serving dessert is easy to transport, and for the creative baker, there are endless ways to customize these mini wonders. Not only are cupcakes portable, but they also don't require any utensils for eating. Cupcakes can help us control our portion sizes and prevent overeating. Instead of indulging in an entire slice of cake, we can enjoy just one cupcake as a satisfying alternative. While they offer moderation, their creative possibilities for these desserts are limitless. From mixing flavors to creating surprise fillings, cupcakes serve as an edible canvas for food artists who can experiment with different piping designs, add sprinkles, and use various toppings. The best part is that they stay moist longer and can provide a high frosting to cupcake ratio, allowing for a perfect balance between the frosting and the cake. The ultimate creamy chilled dessert. Whether it's blueberry cheesecake or blueberry cheese pie, the distinction between the two doesn't really matter. Well, at least for me. Both desserts offer a comforting texture that sets them apart from other creamy and chilled treats. Baking these desserts concentrates the intense flavor of the blueberries and improves the shelf stability. This process reduces the water content, making each blueberry in the pie or cake more nutrient dense and fiber rich, which can aid in digestion. Why do you see coffee among the desserts, you may ask? Well, have you ever noticed that after 3 bites of any dessert, your taste bud starts to feel, well, numb? This phenomenon is known as sugar fatigue. But don't worry, there's a simple solution: coffee. Yes, you heard me right. Once you introduce coffee, the magic happens. How does it work? First, coffee's natural bitterness acts like a reset button for your palate. It cuts through the heavy sweetness, effectively washing away the rich frosting and preparing your taste buds. Essentially, coffee makes your first bite of dessert taste just as amazing as the very last bite. Additionally, rich desserts can sometimes feel heavy in your stomach. Coffee stimulates the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes, which helps your body break down fats and carbohydrates after enjoying those indulgent treats. Nothing compares to the versatile strawberry cake, which offers a delightful balance of sweet and tangy flavors. I prefer mine made with real strawberries, as they provide nutritional benefits, including antioxidants and immune boosting vitamin C. A strawberry cake with fresh fruit incorporates polyphenols that can provide heart health and reduce inflammation. When the cake contains real strawberries, it delivers a dose of vitamin C, supporting your immune system and helping the body produce collagen for healthy skin. However, it's important to remember that despite its healthy benefits, this indulgent sweet treat should still be enjoyed in moderation. At the end of the day, happiness doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as a scoop of ice cream or a fresh slice of cake. These little treats are powerful tools for instant comfort, stress relief, and a quick brain boost. The secret? Enjoying them mindfully and in moderation. Tell me, what's your ultimate childhood comfort food? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for the next piece in our art challenge. See you next time!